Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to submit work through Google Classroom. So, we're in our Google Classroom page here. If you're not sure how to do that, watch the previous video which shows you how to get to this. So I'm going to click on the assignment that Mr. Doherty has set. He wants us to do work as asked. Now I've watched this video already, so I know what Mr. Doherty's asked. On the right hand side there's an option to add or create. Click on that and you can add a file. For example, if you've done work in your book or on a bit of paper, you can take a photo of it with your phone and use this file option to upload the photo of your work. The other thing you can do for some subjects, if they've asked you to write something or do a poster or something like that, you can click create new docs or slides or whatever you need. In my case, I'm going to do a doc because Mr. Doherty's asked us to answer some questions. So what I do is I click on docs. It takes a few seconds while it creates the file, and it takes me into it. So at this point, what I could be doing is I could be listening to Mr. Doherty's video, that's typing in the answers as I go. So I could just go 1. And you get the idea. Once I've answered the questions, I just close it. Google Docs saves everything as you go. So you don't need to click save, you can literally just click close. Once my work is here on the side, I then just click hand in. Just make sure, yeah, hand in. I'm happy with that. It's as simple as that. What I can do, if I want to go back to it and add some more files or add something else, I can click Unsubmit. I can then add or create other files or photos or anything else I need to do, and just remember to click hand in again. And it's as simple as that. That's how you submit work through Google Classroom.